A new world is rising. One not bound by wires or walls, but powered by light and designed by intelligence. Where disease is cured in seconds. Where cities float, soar, and breathe. Where the human body becomes limitless and the internet reaches everyone. This is more than progress. This is a renaissance of possibility. And it's not centuries away. It's already on the horizon. Here are 10 breakthrough technologies that will shape our world by 2040. Join us as we step into a future shaped by courage, code, and imagination. This is Digital Butterfly. 1. Photonic and optical computing. In the heart of tomorrow's machines, a silent revolution is glowing. Not with electricity, but with light. This is photonic computing, where photons replace electrons, and speed becomes limitless. Traditional computers use electricity. It's fast, but not fast enough. Heat, resistance, energy waste, it's a bottleneck. But light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. It doesn't overheat. It doesn't collide. It doesn't wait. With optical computing, we'll simulate the human brain in real time. Train AI models 1,000 times faster. Cure diseases with lightning speed simulations. And crack codes that would take classical computers centuries. The future of computing isn't metal. It's light. And it's coming faster than we can imagine. 2. Robotic exoskeletons and bio-enhancements. What if we could rebuild the human body? Stronger muscles, unbreakable bones, limitless stamina. Robotic exoskeletons are no longer science fiction. From military and disaster zones to warehouses and hospitals, these wearable machines multiply human strength, reduce fatigue, and prevent injuries. For some, it's not about power. It's about freedom. Exosuits give mobility back to those who thought they'd never walk again. Now, combine that with bio-enhancements, neural interfaces, synthetic muscles, real-time healing monitors. We're stepping into an age where man and machine merge. Super strength, super endurance, super recovery. The future of the human body is not just survival. It's evolution. 3. 4D printing. What if the things we built could build themselves? This is 4D printing. Like 3D printing, but with a twist. Time is the fourth dimension. Objects that react, that reshape, that evolve. In medicine, stents that deploy on their own. In construction, materials that shift with the environment. And in fashion, clothing that adapts to your body and climate. It's not just smart design. It's living design. Materials that think. Structures that adapt. We're not just printing objects anymore. We're printing behavior. 4. Satellite-based global internet. For centuries, information was power. But for billions, access was a dream. Now, that dream is becoming real. Thousands of low Earth orbit satellites, faster, cheaper, and closer to the ground, are blanketing the planet with ultra-fast internet. From frozen tundras to deep jungles, no fiber optic cables, no cell towers. Just pure signal from the sky. It's not just about speed. It's about equity. Education, business, healthcare, no longer limited by location. The digital divide is shrinking. And in its place, a truly connected planet is rising. 5. Decentralized Web, Web 4.0. The internet promised freedom, but somewhere along the way, it became a cage. Controlled by a few, watched by many. Your data, sold. Your identity, tracked. Enter Web 4.0, the decentralized web. Built on blockchain, powered by AI, and spread through edge computing. No middlemen, no gatekeepers. Only you, in control of your digital life. Your data stays yours. Your content, undiluted. Your voice, uncensored. It's not just a new internet. It's a revolution. Private, secure, human first. Hyperloop and supersonic travel. What if your 6-hour trip took just 30 minutes? The Hyperloop, a magnetic bullet gliding through a vacuum. Faster than high-speed rail. Quieter than a whisper. Zero emissions. From city to city, in the time it takes to drink your coffee. And in the skies, supersonic travel is making a comeback. New aircraft, faster than the Concorde, capable of flying from New York to London in under 2 hours. Less time in the air means more time living, working, exploring, connecting. Hyperloop below. Supersonic above. The future of travel isn't about distance anymore, it's about instant. Subscribe to Digital Butterfly and ride the edge of tomorrow. 7. Autonomous vehicles in the cities that will shape them. By 2040, Level 5 autonomous vehicles, cars that don't need a steering wheel, pedals, or even a human backup, could finally become reality. But here's the catch: the biggest barrier isn't the technology, it's the environment. To thrive, these vehicles need cities designed around them. Entire districts may soon be zoned for autonomous, only transportation, where humans don't walk on the roads, and traditional cars are banned. Roads embedded with sensors. AI-managed traffic lights. Smart intersections that know where every car is, every second. These aren't just futuristic dreams, they're the backbone of the world's first truly smart cities. Imagine a city where traffic accidents are nearly zero. Where your car syncs with the city's heartbeat. That's not science fiction. That's urban evolution. The future isn't just about smarter cars. It's about smarter cities, designed to move with us, not around us. 8. Vertical cities and floating habitats. The Earth is running out of space. But the future? It rises to the sky and floats on the sea. Vertical cities. Skyscrapers that are more than buildings. They're ecosystems. Farms, homes, workplaces, stacked into the sky. Self-sustaining, green, intelligent. And when land isn't enough, we turn to the ocean. Floating habitats that generate their own power. Clean their own water. Grow their own food. No traffic, no pollution, no sprawl. Just smart design, vertical farms, and clean energy, all built to weather the changing climate. This isn't science fiction. It's a blueprint for survival and a dream of living in harmony with Earth. 9. Fusion power. For billions of years, the stars have burned with endless energy. Now, we're learning to do the same. Fusion power. The same process that powers the sun, now being tamed by human hands. No carbon. No radioactive waste. Just hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, fused into helium, releasing pure, clean energy. A single glass of water contains enough hydrogen to power a home for days. No fuel wars. No blackouts. No pollution. This isn't just energy. It's freedom. It's the end of the energy crisis, forever. 10. Moon and asteroid mining, the gold rush of space. Once, we dug into mountains. Now, we dig into worlds. By 2040, mining isn't just terrestrial. The moon and asteroids, rich with platinum, gold, cobalt, and rare earths, are the next frontier of wealth. One asteroid could hold more metal than Earth has mined in all of human history. And with advances in robotics, AI, and propulsion, we're closer than ever to making this routine. Commercial space ventures are already racing to stake their claim. Small today? Yes. But in time? Asteroid mining could reshape global markets and power the space economy. This isn't just about minerals. It's about building a civilization beyond Earth. The future isn't a distant place. It's already being born, in labs, in code, in minds bold enough to ask, what if? By 2040, the world will look nothing like it does today. But even that is just the beginning. Because beyond 2040 lies another frontier. More advanced. More alien. More powerful than we can fully grasp. In the next episode, we travel deeper into time to explore the technologies of 2050. From artificial general intelligence, to brain-to-brain communication, to civilizations that may stretch beyond the stars. The future doesn't stop. Neither do we.